Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Certified Blueprism Professional Developer. So let's get started. Question number 1, what is the Active Accessibility Interface in Blueprism? Your answer is: the Active Accessibility Interface is much slower than the default Win32 interface, but Active Accessibility is compatible with more types of interface elements. When automating Windows native applications, Active Accessibility should only be used when elements are not compatible or cannot be reliably targeted using the Win32 spy mode. To improve the performance of the Active Accessibility interface, the match index and match reverse can be used. While using this interface, multiple matches can be found even though the element seems to be unique. This might happen because some elements may exist even when they are not displayed. Question number 2, explain the usage of dynamic match type. Your answer is: the dynamic match type allows the user to specify the value of an attribute from the diagram rather than use the one present in the application modeler. You can understand the dynamic match type as a mandatory input parameter required by any of the stage-using elements. Question number 3, explain the attach option in Blueprism. Your answer is: the attach option is used to identify which application is being used. You need to input the value to help it identify the application. For example, window title or process name. Question number 4, can you mention a few general requirements of RPA for front and back office processing? Your answer is: well, there is no definite answer to this question. But, you can answer the interviewer by saying that apart from the tools and the client requirements, most of the requirements are the same for both front office and back office processing. The same configuration can be easily deployed and the results that can be derived are always superior in every aspect. Question number 5, what points are to be considered during the planning phase of automation? Your answer is: during the planning phase of automation you have consider the following. 1. Best RPA tool for your project. 2. Collect the in-scope and out-of-scope parameters. 3. Testing environment. 4. Project timelines. 5. Identification of deliverables. Question number 6, do we require coding skills to use the Blueprism tool? Your answer is: the answer to this question is no. Blueprism does not require any prior programming knowledge as it has developed its digital workforce in a way that it can be built and managed by the users. Apart from this, Blueprism has also made sure that its digital workforce adheres to the spanning technologies, operations and the robotic operational model, to make sure that it can be implemented in any department of an enterprise. Also, to the matter of fact, all the RPA tools require no or less programming knowledge, as all their platforms are built in such a way that a user does not sit and writes code. Question number 7, what is the need for Blueprism in the market? Your answer is: since robotic process automation cannot be implemented without the RPA tools, Blueprism is one of the most popular RPA tools is used to design automation scripts for various departments and tasks. Blueprism supports both internal and external encryption or decryption of keys. Apart from this, it also enables audit logs which makes it easy for the users to debug. Well, these were just a few points, but I am sure once you start using the tool, you will understand the benefits of the Blueprism. Question number 8, what kind of support is required from the Blueprism Professional Services? Your answer is: Blueprism offers a wide range of services. So, it completely depends on the abilities that you already have and what you wish to learn next. Blueprism can provide complete training to learn the tool, 24/7 support to ensure that you learn the tool quickly and start automating tasks. Here, Blueprism takes the responsibility of delivering business benefits within the agreed service levels. Question number 9, can you mention the hardware requirements used to execute the Blueprism platform? Your answer is: well, there are as such no hardware requirements. But since Blueprism is designed to match with the IT standards suitable for IT security, operational integrity, and operational supportability, this software is designed in a ready-to-be-deployed manner. In front office processing, it runs on the standard or local desktop, whereas in the back office processing it runs on a large number of systems. Question number 10, what do you understand by Visual Business Object? Your answer is: the visual business objects are used to provide an interface to an application. This application interface is not configured in the Process Studio but is configured in a separate environment called an Object Studio environment. So, a business object is not exposed to the control room but is always used by a process. Question number 11. What do you understand by the process in Blueprism? Your answer is: a process is quite similar to that of a business object. It acts like a human user and implements a software robot logic. Each and every process is defined by using one or more pages, where each page contains various stages. A process always starts at its main page and then carries forward to the other pages. Here, each page has its own individual tab to ensure that the processes are divided into various logical groupings. Question number 12. How can you get started on delivering processes using Blueprism? Your answer is: well, Blueprism recommends a phased approach to get started as the operational agility framework is scalable. This kind of environment is used to target the configuration between 1 to 10 processes initially, and then rolling program of processes being introduced once the framework is established. Question number 13. What do you understand by STD and FRQ? Your answer is: 1. SDD aka Solution Design Document is used to describe the Blueprism automation process derived in the Process Definition document. 2. FRQ aka Function Requirements Questionnaire is used to provide areas for consideration and also a checklist for required details. Question number 14. What is the use of global mouse click and global send keys? Your answer is: global mouse click and global send keys are examples of operations that need an active application. In the scenario, where the application is not front-end, operations will click or type into whichever window is active. This could also be a different application or an empty desktop. Question number 15. What do you understand by multiple part processes? Your answer is: as the name suggests, multiple part processes are used in a scenario where a case needs to be worked in multiple parts at different items. It comes with parent-child relationships where individual work queues items must be linked to a single request. This can also be used where work is driven from an external system rather than from the Blueprism work queue. Not only this, but the multiple part processes can be used where the requests are added throughout a day, and must be executed in the service level agreement period. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.